Hi, it's the Tinkerer. So today we're going to do a Green Mountain grilled Davy Crocket and insulate it so that way you can have a better cooking experience in 40-degree weather. By the way, please subscribe. You know that YouTube is going to be removing some of my functionality because I don't have enough subscribers. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Press that button right there. Thanks. It's like 44 degrees outside, and what I find is my Davy Crocket isn't able to keep the temperature in this cold weather. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap it with some of this insulation, with some of this PFT coated fiberglass tape, which can take high heat, and then wrap. Basically, I'm going to be cutting this out and wrapping my pit with it. Basically, cutting it. I cut out the edges right here, and I'm going to tape it down. There it is, all wrapped up, all the way around. The Davy Crocket. I want to show how much this is rising. Look at this. I push it down. That's the heat making it rise. Look at that. You see how it's coming back up? That's the heat rising. It's actually so much that it's making this try to pop the tape off because it's rising. That's how much heat I'm losing. With this, it really conserves it.